Welcome, Trinity. My name is Nathan MacGregor. I'm the Communications Director here. I am with
Nicole Burns with Trinity Lutheran School. I'm the 7th grade homeroom teacher.
We are so excited to tell you and tally up the amount of pledges and the amount of money that are being pledged so far. So we want to show you. All right, Nicole, so how many pledges do we have?
I'm really excited to say that we already have 50 pledged.
What? We have 50? And so how much of money was pledged?
So far, $917,000 have been pledged.
Wow, that is amazing, Trinity. We're so grateful to see how many people have said yes and pledged their amount for the next 2 years starting July. We hope that you as well would love to pledge with us during Lent. If you would like to pledge, there's more information below in that description. Or if you would love to talk to me or any of our ministry leaders, we would love to help you through that. If you have any questions, of course, you can send us an email. And if you are curious more of what Taking New Ground is all about, just look up trinitykalispell.org/Taking New Ground. Thank you, Nicole, for helping us out. We can't wait to show you what God is going to reveal next.